my channel. My name is Christy, owner and violinist at Christy Becker Violin. This week is Nutcracker Week, and if you don't know what that means, it's that beloved time of year where the Peninsula Dance Theater and the Bremerton Symphony get together and perform the Nutcracker for one weekend only. It's coming up this weekend. We all get really cozy, we smush together under the stage for 2 hours a day for 6 days in the week, and we perform this beloved holiday classic. Alright, so those of you who have been keeping up with my channel, thank you so much. This is part 2 of my series on sound effects. So we're going to go over a couple more sound effects that can be produced on the violin. So in the last sound effects video we talked about harmonics, but did you know that there are 2 different types of harmonics? The ones we talked about before are based on the pitches that are normally found over the overtones on an open string, and those are called natural harmonics. And so today we're going to talk about artificial harmonics. And artificial harmonics are when we don't just use what the overtone series would just be on an open string, but we create our own by replacing this nut with our finger, right? So we're changing the pitch, but then we're creating a harmonic on top of that new pitch. So it's going to sound like this. So instead of the harmonic being on an open string, it's going to now be in the place of one of our fingers that we're putting down. Really what artificial harmonics do is create a larger range of pitches where you can have that harmonic quality, that floaty overtone quality, and you're not limited to the overtones of the natural open strings. They're not used as often as natural harmonics in notations because they're more difficult to play, so most composers understand that and don't request that as often as they do natural harmonics. Ricochet is a bowing technique that can be performed for light dance-like passages, and it's created by bouncing the bow in one direction on the string. A trill is an ornament that is used to decorate a note, and it can sometimes be used to build anticipation because the listener is waiting for it either to resolve up or down. Sometimes a composer wants a soft or veiled quality to the music, and so to achieve this, they will request that the musicians play with mutes. A mute can be made out of rubber, metal, or wood, and it's used to clamp on the bridge. Sometimes for convenience sake, we can use a rubber one that is attached to the strings, and we have it with us all the time. Sometimes for an even softer sound, they create practice mutes so you can play, maybe you have roommates and you don't want to bother them. You can use this practice mute and it mutes it much more than just the rubber one. So this is what the rubber one sounds like. So you clip it over the bridge. Contrast that with no mute. Quite a bit louder. So now we're softer. We can be softer still by using the practice mute. So how does a mute make it softer? So the way that a violin creates sound is the bow or your finger or something plucks or strums or pulls the string, and the string vibrates. That vibration gets picked up by the bridge, and the bridge carries that vibration all the way down to its little feet right there. And that's where it connects to the face. So the face is now vibrating because of the string. Inside the violin is a post, and that post is called the sound post. and it is the connecting point between the face and the back of the instrument. So that post, you can barely see right there, in there, transmits the vibrations from the face to the back. And so because we know sound waves are actually shaped like waves and they bounce against things, now the vibrations are bouncing off of the back of the instrument and they're coming out the F holes and then they go into your ear. So the whole path of the vibrations are string to bridge, bridge to face, face to sound post to back, back out through the F holes, and then we can hear it. So when you stop the vibration of the bridge or when you impede the vibrations of the bridge, the whole sound changes. I hope you guys enjoyed that second installment of sound effects. If you learned something new, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hello friends, thank you for watching my video. Did you know you can follow Christy Becker Violin on both Facebook and Instagram? And check out our website, christybeckerviolin.com. And if you want to see more content, click here to subscribe. Go ahead, click there. And to check out my last video, click there. It's okay, I'll wait. Okay, thank you.